elegant saying number one. Well, maybe it's lost in translation versus the other, but men void of accomplishments cannot behold those who possess some without barking like the curs of the bazaar on seeing a hunting dog, but dare not come forward. That is to say, when a base fellow is unable to vie with an accomplished man, he sets about slandering him according to his own weakness and wickedness. The envious mean fellow will certainly slander, whose tongue of speech is dumb when face to face. And that's the thing. You can address evil and ignorance, aka what's wrong. But if you're like, oh, I just want to figure out how to say bad things about people, insulting nicknames and all that other stuff. Now I don't mean politically, but what is the thing? A hypocrite by the person who will unnecessarily raise their voice and you can hear them before you see them. The person who lies when they speak. The person who slanders and backbites. The person who says something and doesn't do it. Now people say hypocrite, but that's sort of what I mean too. The